Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Box Cloud Storage with Box detailed guide step by step clearly. To configure Box Cloud Storage, start by opening your web browser. Navigate to the Box website at www.box.com. If you already have an account, click on the Sign In button. Enter your email address and password, then click Login. If you don't have an account, click on Sign Up to create one. Follow the prompts to complete the registration process. Once you're logged in, you'll be directed to your Box dashboard. To create a new folder, click on the New button. Select Folder from the drop-down menu. Name your folder and click Create. To upload files, click on the Upload button. Choose files or folder based on your needs. Select the files or folder you want to upload from your device. Click Open to begin the upload process. Once the upload is complete, navigate to your uploaded files. To share a file or folder, hover over it and click the Share icon. Adjust the sharing settings according to your preference. You can invite collaborators by entering their email addresses. Click Send to share access. To manage your settings, click on your profile icon in the upper right corner. Select Account Settings from the drop-down menu. Here, you can adjust your notifications and security preferences. To access previous versions of files, right-click on the file. Click on Version History to view and restore earlier versions. Consider setting up Box Sync for automatic file synchronization. Download Box Sync from the Box website and install it on your device. Follow the installation prompts and log in with your Box account. Once installed, select the files and folders you want to sync. Your selected files will then be accessible offline. To access your Box files on mobile, download the Box app from your App Store. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.